That's a pretty good trick, Doc. But can you do this?
3, 2.
Mario, get up! Think of my bladder! For the love of God, please get up! Holy crap! Is that Demi Moore? Ha! Sucker! Now I just get Mario and split! Oh, try salad! Oh, fudge! Okay, now you're gonna get it, fillet face! Alright, prepare to be in a world of pain! Die, devilfish! Oh, wow! Luigi! Get up my head! Glad you're awake! Come on, let's go! I can't stay still for long! Those evil fish keep squirting me! Why can't these fishes be like Nemo? Nemo was a nice, cute little fish!
That was a cartoon! This is real life!
Mario, the fish, they're waiting me on purpose! They know I gotta go!
Just calm down! As soon as we get off this, you can go, but for now, just hold it! Okay, Luigi, come jump across! Oh? What happened to the platforms?
They fell!
What?
They fell! Now I'm stuck! And those fish are gonna eat me! I'm probably gonna burst before they do! If you were thinner, those platforms would still be here! See? This is why you need to go on a diet! Because somebody needs to jump across so he can get to the bathroom!
Luigi, shut up! Look! This is a piece of cake for you! You don't need those platforms to get across! You can make this!
I can't! I'm full of soda! I'm gonna fall!
Luigi, please stop crying! Just don't think about it and jump!
Alright, but if I die, you're gonna have to break the news to Mom! Wow!
Luigi!
Let's get out of here!
You idiot! We had him! Oh, sorry. I thought we were still squirting him. Not when they're falling, stupid! Don't mess up again, cause if King Koopa finds out, he's gonna fry your ass! Cheep cheeps! Aim carefully! I want those guys knocked into the water! Luigi, slow down! You're gonna get hurt again!
I can't do that! For every second that passes, my bladder gets bigger! Ah! Mario, get it off! Get it off!
Get off him, you little sucker!
Ow, 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 ow! Owie!
Oh! You little zero!
Oh, what do I do?
Okay! Now you're starting to piss me off!
Booyah! Take that, fishes! Luigi's number 1! Oh, okay, I can't hold this any longer. Mario, you gotta go! You're gonna have to hold on, Mario, cause I'm not walking.
Looks like this is gonna be a photo finish.
Oh!
Keep running, Luigi! I see that!
Whoa!
You alright?
Zah!
Okay, you wait there and I'll go check out the castle. Oh wow, that's lucky. Hey Luigi, there's a bathroom in
Joy!
here.
Finally, I can take a... Oh, please close your eyes. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh. Sweet relief.
Zip up, Luigi.
Oops.
Back to adventure.